Hello kiddos, today we are going to draw a truck. Okay, so let's start. How many times you have seen the trucks on the road? Can you count? Now I'm going to draw the two more wheels. Okay.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Now let's quickly draw the outline. It will help us to put the colors in an easy way.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
Let's color it. First I'm putting the orange color. Now I'm putting the sky blue color. Now it is deep ash color. You can put black color instead. Now mark the wheel with the black colors, the outline of the wheels. Now I am putting the brown color.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy, mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Now it's time for the magic. Abracadabra, magic. Oh, the wheels are moving. Okay, now it is running on the road. Wow. See you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and be happy. Bye.